Notion pricing explained what you get for your money. Notion has become a go-to tool for note-taking, project management, and organization, but what do its pricing tiers actually offer? Let's break it down. Notion offers 4 main plans. The free plan allows unlimited pages and blocks with the ability to collaborate with up to 10 guests. It's perfect for individuals or small projects. You can create databases, simple wikis, or personal planners, with version history is limited to 7 days, and some advanced collaboration features are restricted. Personal Pro Plan unlocks unlimited file uploads, unlimited guests, and unlimited version history. It's ideal for freelancers or solo professionals who need robust organizational tools without limits. For example, a freelancer could manage client projects, store large media files, and track deadlines seamlessly. The Team Plan, price per user per month, adds collaboration features like share workspaces, admin tools, and advanced permissions. Teams can create complex workflows, manage projects, and track progress efficiently. You can also integrate Notion with tools like Slack or Google Drive, boosting productivity. Finally, the Enterprise Plan includes advanced security, SOA, audit logs, and dedicated support. It's designed for large organizations that need full compliance, control, and collaboration at scale. Most people get this wrong. They think Notion is just a note-taking app. The surprising truth is that even the free and Personal Pro plans can handle complex databases, project tracking, and team collaboration. You won't believe how much organization and workflow efficiency can be unlocked with the right setup. In conclusion, Notion's pricing scales with your needs, from solo use to enterprise-level collaboration. The key is understanding your goals and team size. When used effectively, Notion provides a flexible, powerful platform that keeps personal productivity and team workflow streamlined and organized.